Corona is not gonna stop us from being great. We can't get our nails done, we can't get our hair done, we can't get our wax. That is fine because you can just do it at home by yourself. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thanks for coming back. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and you can come back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get my hair to be this platinum color. In the video, I'm going to start out with longer hair. It's already like I'd already done the style before, so I ended up just cutting it because it was getting too long for my liking, and I was supposed to get a haircut before quarantine started, so didn't really get a chance to do that, so I just ended up doing it myself. I'm gonna make sure that my hair is properly combed out. Guys, I'm due for a haircut, but this pandemic said no. I haven't gotten a haircut in so long, and now I can't get a haircut. I don't even know why I waited. So for starters, I'm gonna use some Vaseline and put that around my hairline that I'm trying to regrow. So you are going to need a bowl, a mixing bowl, and a mixing brush thing. This is the bleach that I'm using. This is the developer that I'll be using. I'm gonna start out with 2 scoops. So 2 scoops of that. We're gonna put some developer in it. Okay. I don't really measure it. You just wanna do what you think is right. I start off at the front because that's where I can see. So I'm done. I'm gonna leave this on for about, I want to say 30 to 35 minutes, and then I'm gonna get back to you guys and we'll go from there. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off and then wash it with this Silver Plus Ageless shampoo for gray, blonde, bleaching, or highlighted hair. And then we'll go again and bleach tomorrow, because I don't think that it lifted the color enough, that it's gonna be white enough. Like, you see the demarcation between the new and the old. My hair looks shorter than it was yesterday. That's because I decided to cut it off where the roots was growing, because it was too much of like a difference in the curl texture since I have so much new growth. Anyways, I cut it, this is the length I usually get it cut it anyways. So we're just gonna go ahead and bleach it again. I ain't got no edges, so I gotta protect the little bit that I have left, you feel me? Also, I'm doing this in my room today because somebody's in the shower in both our bathrooms, so I gotta do this in my room. Guys, we can't get our nails done, we can't get our hair done, we can't get a wax, we can't do nothing out here. So I feel like to stay sane, you gotta do shit by yourself in this quarantine. You gotta do it by yourself. You gotta be a strong, independent woman and get your shit done. Because while we're in quarantine, you don't want to stay looking crazy, you know? You may not be going anywhere, but it's just for the sake of you feeling your 100% best, you know? Do whatever you need to do. Do your makeup, do your hair. I don't know. If you want to experiment, go ahead and bleach it. It's not even like you have nowhere to go anyways. So if you mess up, you got time to grow it out. Because where are you going? Nowhere. Who's gonna see it? No one. Yes. Guys, I have no technique in doing this. I literally just put it however, put it wherever, and see what works for me. Just gonna make sure that it's all the way in the roots. All the way in the roots. So now that I'm done, I'm going to cover this up with the shower cap and wait probably maybe 20 minutes, less than yesterday's time, because I'm just gonna wing it. 20 minutes and we're gonna see, and then wash it out with the purple shampoo that I washed it out with yesterday, and then I'll be back to tone it. Now that I've washed out the second bleaching, this is the color that I get after shampooing it with the purple shampoo. Obviously, there are gonna be some parts that are uneven. You know, some parts are uneven, but that's fine. To tone it, I use the Color Brilliance by Ion Intensive Shine coloration cream thing in Icy White. There it is. I don't have the box for it because I've had it for quite some time. Great. So the parts, it's equal parts 1-to-1 toner and developer. I just eyeball it because I know exactly how much the 1-to-1 ratio is now. Put that in there. And then take your toner. I'm almost out. Take your toner. Cool. Brush. So now that I am done coating my hair with the white toner, I'm gonna leave this on for 12 minutes. I'm not gonna cover it, and then I'm gonna rinse it out, and that is the finished process. So this is the finished look, you guys. Like, I love it. I love it. It looks so good. It looks so good. And you can look good too if you just follow this tutorial and you just, I'm just gonna say, not everything works for everybody. This is what works best for me. I've tried a lot of other products that were mentioned in other tutorials that I've watched, and not all of the toning products or bleaching products or whatever the case may be worked for my hair the way that this works for me. It's all about trial and error, but at the end of the day, do what makes you comfortable, you know? That is it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I guess I'll see you guys in my next video.